Hey everybody, this is our refresher video on the new song we're learning on the recorder this week. Hopefully you got your recorder at home so you can practice along. Remember, we've got all these holes that we're going to be covering with our fingers. We're going to be using the pad of our finger to cover that hole or all the holes all the way. Okay, you're going to make sure that you're covering those holes entirely. If you only cover a part of the hole, then the sound and the air is going to escape out of there when you don't want it to. So cover that all the way. If you get a weird sound on the recorder and what's going on, look down at your fingers and say, oh, that's what it is. I'm not covering that hole all the way, and just shift it around to where you're covering that hole entirely. Make sure you're using soft, warm air, not fast air. So don't pretend like you're blowing a birthday candle out. That's way too fast. Just like a soft exhale, a soft breath right into the recorder. Okay? So the three notes for this song are B, A, and G. All three of those notes, we're going to cover the back hole with our thumb, so you can just leave it there for the whole song. The first note, we're using the back hole and then the top hole. So we call that thumb 1 because it's thumb and one finger. It should sound like this. You try that. Alright. The second note is A. It's just like B, thumb 1, but we're going to add a second finger. So now it's thumb 1, 2. Alright, and keep in mind also, your free hand that you're not using, you're just going to take your thumb and place it right back here. There's no hole there, but right back here for support to hold the recorder the right way. So A is thumb 1, 2. It sounds like this. And try that. Alright, then we're going to add one more finger. So now we have thumb 1, 2, 3. That's G. Sounds like this. You try that. Alright, so those three notes are all we need for this song. I'm going to go to the screen with the music. Here's the music. It's B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, B, A, G. Super easy, right? So let's look at these first two measures. They're the same, so as long as you can learn the first one, you just play it again, and that gets half the song done. So let's, the first measure is B, A, G. Should sound like this. Alright, let's play that together. 1, 2, ready, go. Very good. So as well as labeling the notes, we've also got the finger patterns right here. So anytime you see a colored in circle, that means your thumb or your finger is covering that hole all the way. So let's play that measure twice. That'll get us the first and second measure, okay? Just repeat it 2 times. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. All right, measure 3 down here. G, 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 A. Those are eighth notes, so they're going to sound a little bit faster. Should sound like this when you play it. Alright, let's try that together. 1, 2, and ready, play. Good. And the last measure is just like the first one, B, A, G. Alright, listen to me play these two measures, and then we'll play it together. Listen up. Alright, let's try it together a little slower. 1 and 2 and ready, play. Very good. All right, listen to me play this whole song, and then you're going to play it with me. Here's how it goes. All right, let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. All right. So you've probably heard that before. That is the melody for the song Hot Cross Buns. But we've changed the words to make it about the barbecue restaurant that's right down the street from the school. We're going to be recording this to show at our family night in April. And hopefully, Smoking Buns will see it on YouTube and enjoy the fact that we love their food so much and made a song about it. So for the video that we record, we're going to play the song one time through on the recorder and then sing the words. All right, smoking buns, gotta get some barbecue from Smoking Buns. All right, so let's try that together. We're going to play it once and then sing it right after. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Smoking buns, gotta get some barbecue from Smoking Buns. Good job. All right, use this video. You can rewind it. You can play through it as many times as you want to, making sure that your recorder sounds just like I made my recorder sound. And I'll see you guys in class tomorrow when we record the video.